Reliable cooking outdoors depends on steady heat, even when conditions turn harsh and unpredictable on exposed campsites worldwide daily. Best Camp Stove for Wind delivers focused flames, smart shielding, and fuel efficiency so meals stay fast, hot, and frustration-free anywhere. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Coleman Triton Camp Stove. The Coleman Triton Camp Stove is a solid entry-level option for campers seeking reliable outdoor cooking without unnecessary complexity. Built for durability, it features a sturdy construction that can withstand repeated use and travel, making it perfect for weekend trips or casual camping. This stove is easy to operate, with simple controls that allow users to adjust heat quickly and efficiently. While it may not offer the advanced features of higher-end models, the Coleman Triton delivers consistent performance and even cooking, ensuring meals are prepared safely and effectively. Its compact design makes it easy to transport, store, and set up, reducing hassle at campsites. This stove is particularly suitable for those new to camping or anyone looking for a dependable, no-frills option for cooking outdoors. While it may not support professional-level outdoor cooking or heavy-duty use, its reliability, ease of use, and solid performance make it a favorite for families, solo campers, and casual adventurers alike. The Coleman Triton strikes a balance between affordability, practicality, and functionality, offering a dependable cooking solution for a wide range of outdoor scenarios. Number 2. ODSD Folding Camp Stove. The ODSD Folding Camp Stove brings convenience and efficiency to outdoor cooking with a focus on portability and performance. Its magnetic closure system simplifies setup and storage, providing quick access while keeping the stove securely folded when not in use. Designed with windproof shields, it maintains a steady flame in challenging conditions, reducing the risk of flare-ups and protecting hands from splatters, making outdoor cooking safer. The dual burners deliver up to 20,000 BTUs of cooking power, with independent controls for versatile meal preparation, from boiling water to frying and grilling. Despite its power, the stove remains compact, folding down to just over 10 inches in width and under 4 pounds, and comes with a durable carry bag for easy transport. Ideal for camping, hiking, tailgating, or emergency use, the ODSD stove combines portability with high performance, making it a versatile tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Its design emphasizes convenience, safety, and efficiency, providing users with a dependable cooking experience wherever their adventures take them. The ODSD Folding Camp Stove stands out for balancing portability, power, and ease of use in one compact package.
Number 3. WINKIZA BBQ Camp Stove. The WINKIZA BBQ Camp Stove is a well-crafted folding stove designed for campers who value convenience, durability, and cooking power. Made of high-quality 304 stainless steel, the stove resists rust, corrosion, and heat, making cleanup quick and straightforward while ensuring longevity even with regular outdoor use. It features 2 high-powered sealed burners, delivering a total of 16,000 BTUs, which can accommodate 2 pans up to 8 inches in size. The burners are adjustable and equipped with push-button piezo ignition, allowing precise control over heat levels and simplifying the lighting process. Its foldable design and built-in handle make it highly portable, allowing easy transport and storage without compromising stability during use. WINKIZA also provides attentive customer support, including a 12-month technical warranty, emphasizing both product quality and user satisfaction. Whether preparing meals for a solo camper or a small group, this stove provides flexibility and consistent performance. It is ideal for weekend trips, tailgating, or emergency preparedness, combining durability, portability, and reliable cooking power. The WINKIZA BBQ Camp Stove offers an all-around solution for those who need a dependable outdoor cooking companion with thoughtful design features.
Number 4.
Bighorn Camp Stove. The Bighorn Camp Stove offers a balance of power, efficiency, and user-friendly features for outdoor cooking. With a maximum output of 17,000 BTUs, it provides rapid heating and even cooking while consuming less fuel than comparable models, making it efficient for extended trips. Its dual-burner design features a textured side for grilling and a smooth side for frying or cooking delicate foods, delivering versatile meal options. The stove incorporates safety features including anti-slip feet, flame-retardant hose fittings, and a robust corrosion-resistant iron shell, ensuring stability and reliability even on uneven terrain. Lighting is simplified with a piezoelectric ignition system, eliminating the need for matches and reducing setup stress. Cleanup is also convenient thanks to a removable non-stick griddle plate with a centralized grease guide, allowing food residue to be quickly wiped away. This stove is ideal for campers, tailgaters, or outdoor enthusiasts who need dependable performance without compromising safety or convenience. Its combination of high power, versatility, and thoughtful design makes the Bighorn Camp Stove a strong choice for anyone seeking efficient and reliable outdoor cooking.
Number 5. Chefmaster Camp Stove. The Chefmaster Camp Stove is a powerful, reliable option for outdoor enthusiasts who require efficient, high-heat cooking in a portable format. With a 15,000 BTU output, it can handle a wide range of cooking tasks, from boiling and searing to frying, providing fast and consistent heat for all types of meals. Its advanced piezoelectric ignition system allows for instant lighting with a simple turn of the knob, eliminating the need for matches or lighters and offering precise flame control. The stove is designed with dual wind protection, including a built-in double wind guard around the burner head and a portable carry case that can act as an additional shield, ensuring stable cooking even in breezy conditions. Lightweight and compact, the Chefmaster stove is easy to carry and store, making it a practical choice for camping, hiking, or emergency preparedness. Combining portability, powerful cooking performance, and thoughtful wind protection, this stove delivers a dependable solution for outdoor meal preparation. It is an excellent option for campers seeking simplicity, reliability, and high performance in a compact package. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.